Sometimes we all encounter equipment that does not work. In this video, we will review some of the most common problems you might encounter with your SoundField system. If your transmitter battery is low or dead but was charging overnight, do the following. Was the green light blinking when you were charging the transmitter? If not, ensure there is power going to that outlet and that the power cord is not loose in the charging port. If you notice the power cord is loose and only seems to blink when you are holding it a certain way, contact your building technology specialist for instructions on how to proceed. Please note that when charging the Roger touchscreen, you should not push the power cord all the way in. You want to make sure there is a slight gap. As soon as you see the blinking green light, you have a connection. Your SoundField stopped broadcasting when you were showing a video. Did you place the transmitter flat on the table? The transmitter must be on and kept in an upright position in order for transmission from any of the accessories to continue. You may continue to wear the transmitter, but use the mute button in order to not interrupt the audio. Your SoundField stopped broadcasting and you are wearing the transmitter. Is the SubNet button active? If so, you will not be transmitting through the speakers. Network should be highlighted. You will also notice the student's icon and the number 1 in the corner. You can't hear from the Passaround microphone, but the rest of your system is transmitting. Be sure your Passaround mic was fully charged in the off position. You will see a green light blinking when the microphone is charging. If fully charged, but you are still not hearing through the Passaround microphone, reconnect it to your system. Hold the transmitter close to the mic, press connect. You will see a brief message on the transmitter screen that the mic was connected. Look for the number 1 in the corner of the touchscreen, which indicates that accessories have been paired. If the Passaround microphone is charged and connected, be sure the user is holding the microphone 2 to 4 inches from his or her mouth, as this is the ideal distance to pick up a voice. If further away, it may not transmit the voice. If your Passaround starts blinking 2 red lights, the battery is weak. Turn the microphone off and connect it to its power supply. The SoundField tower has a power indicator light which also assists with troubleshooting. Let's run through what each of these lights tell us when troubleshooting. If you see a blinking blue light, you must connect the transmitter to the speaker. Hold the transmitter close to the top of the speaker and press connect. A solid blue light indicates the unit is connected and transmitting successfully. A green light indicates the transmitter is either off or muted. If you see a solid red light on the SoundField tower, turn the tower off, then back on again. If you do not see a light on the SoundField tower, be sure to check that the 2-piece power supply is fully connected and attached. You may also need to check the functionality of the outlet. If you have tried these steps and are still experiencing problems, contact your school's designated technology specialist.